Okay, guys, we have an issue uprising right now.
It's so cold.
It is very cold.
So cold.
I know we gotta figure our food issue first, right? So there's more population coming into our hotel, but we need just like our last project. We are starting to expand our hotel empire, and we need like good soil because if we're gonna expand our hotel, we need good soil for our crops. So basically, we have a bit of a predicament. We need to go find soil for our crops. So how are we gonna do this, guys? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
I have an idea.
What's your idea? What happened to your arms first?
I ate them because I'm so hungry. I'm so cold.
So what are we gonna do?
How about we use 2 robots, like, together, take the soil, like, bring them to our hotel using sensors and, like, cooperation, you know?
Okay. Anybody else have an idea how we're even gonna do this? How are we gonna do this first?
Yeah, I think we can use the 2 robots. One could be the collector robot and one could be the transporter robot. And the collector robot can collect the soil and deposit it and then take it to the transporter bot that transports it to our hotel to actually use it for our food.
Okay. I like this idea. All right, let's get to working.
Okay, as of right now, here's our code for our collector robot. We have we have all the comments right now. We have our purpose, which is drive forward until the red wall is detected at 25 centimeters. It will lower the arm, energize the magnet to pick up the soil, with the soil blocks. Reverse and make a 180-degree turn. Drive until the blue wall is detected. In the hardware mapping, the drive motor is out A, the left one, and out B, the right. Arm motor out C, magnet actuator out E, ultrasonic sensor input 3, and color sensor input 1. First, we're going to initialize the bricks and motor, the brick motor sensors, and then our magnet actuator, which actually took a lot of time to even work, which is unreal. Obviously we have our constants here. The color for red, color for blue. Stop when it reaches 25 centimeters from the red, so it can actually pick up the soil. And then the 20 and 40 meters away from the blue wall, so it doesn't just smash into the wall, and it doesn't like drop the soil off onto the wall, unlike the red one, which is closer, so it can pick up from the wall. And then we have our basic drive speed, our arm speed to prevent from hitting the chassis, which did happen a lot. We have our stop command, forward command, backward command, turn 180 command, and this is our arm and magnet control. So retracting the arm, lowering the arm, magnet on, energize the magnet, magnet off, deactivate the magnet. We have the main execution right here, and we found it a lot more helpful instead of in the command just just spewing out random information. We actually told it to like say all these things. So like the collector robot will be active, it will be searching for the wall, and here's our stage 1, and actually like detecting the red wall. So while true, it will go until all this code is basically it will go until it finds a red wall. This is the pickup sequence, and when it finds the red wall, it will stop, lower the arm, magnet on, it'll wait just to secure the block, retract the arm, move back away from the wall, and turn 180 degrees to go find that blue wall. And obviously, this is speaker say searching for the blue wall. This is wall true, and keep going. Oh my God, we found the blue wall. So we're gonna lower the arm. We're gonna wait 500 milliseconds. The magnet will be turned off. Wait another 500 milliseconds. Retract the arm, and go backwards, and then mission complete, and then we're done. And then here we have our transporter robot, which is basically very simple. We'd have to wait until our collector robot is finished with its code, and we have to wait until the collector robot is finished with its thing. And then this will run. It's just gonna keep continuously driving forward until then it will automatically pick up the soil block. Okay, now we have we're in the arena right now. We have our 2 robots here. We have our transporter, and no, we have our collector and our transporter. So let's run them real quick.
Collector robot active.
And our collector robot is going to move the arm down
Searching
first.
for red wall.
So the ultrasonic distance sensor actually does not get blocked. So we actually detect our walls. And it's moving very slowly. So yeah, and then when it reaches a certain distance of 255 centimeters, the distance sensor will start to detect the walls, as we can see here, and it's gonna stop at around 25 centimeters, just so we can actually like get our arm onto the wall itself to pick up our soil.
Red wall detected.
Yes, at 20. This amount of
Magnet
centimeters.
on.
Magnet on, so it's actively collecting our soil. Letting go.
Turning around.
Turning around.
Searching for blue wall.
Perfect. Now it's going to be looking for this wall over here, so then our collector can start doing its work.
Blue wall detected.
It's going to be dropping off the soil.
Magnet off.
Magnet off.
Mission complete.
Okay. And now
Collector robot active.
And now the transporter robot should be driving forward. Okay, as you can see here, we have a more realistic point of view standpoint, and we have our soil collector. So if we run this real quick, it's gonna slowly creep up towards the soil and vacuum it all up, collect it, and it's gonna move it back to home base. So yeah.
This project is so hard.
It's so hard.
Yeah, we had a lot of difficulties this project. Like, wait, what difficulties do you have?
So ChatGPT kept running out of uploads and stuff, you know. So to fix that, we just like went to a different LLM.
Exactly. Okay, that works. Another difficulty that we had was during Gearsbot, the crane, the actual crane itself kept blocking the ultrasonic distance sensor, so the actual bot couldn't stop at the wall. So to fix this, when we first initialized the project, we told the robot to actually just move the crane back. So then the ultrasonic sensor would be like uncovered, so it detects the wall, picks up the dirt, and it moves back to the blue box and then drops the dirt off, and then hence completing our soil sampling process. So yeah. So and then sorry, what did we learn? Well, what do you think? What do you think we learned this fine project?
Importance of teamwork.
Yep. We learned how to correctly communicate with ChatGPT so we wouldn't run out of uploads.
Okay. Cannon, what do you think we learned?
We learned how to get both of our robots running in the way they should be running properly and get them in the video properly.
Okay. I think we learned a lot this project, obviously.
Yep.
We learned so much. In fact, we can't list all the things that we learned.
Yes.
That is true.
Yes.
It's an overload.
Exactly.